One sweltering summer morning, as Ahmed was preparing to open his small auto repair shop, he heard a faint squeak coming from under the hood of an old car that had been towed in the previous evening. Curiosity piqued. He called over his colleagues, Yusuf and Karim, who rushed to his side. Together they peered under the car's hood and were met with a sight that left them astounded. Nestled in the engine compartment, amidst a maze of wires and pipes, was a tiny, furry lump. It was a kitten, no more than a few weeks old, trembling in fear and desperately trying to escape its precarious predicament. The three men exchanged bewildered glances. How had the little creature ended up there? It was a mystery that baffled them all. The scorching engine block seemed like the least likely place for a kitten to seek refuge. Without hesitation, the men fetched a set of tools and began to carefully dismantle the car's engine compartment. Each turn of the wrench revealing a bit more of the frightened kitten's plight. Their hands worked with precision and care, and their hearts swelled with determination to save the innocent life trapped within the machine's cold, unforgiving heart. With each passing minute, the tension grew. The kitten's mews became more desperate, and its tiny paws trembled as it clung to the last remnants of hope. The men's hands worked tirelessly, fueled by their shared determination to rescue this helpless soul. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, they reached the kitten. Gently, they cradled the furry bundle in their hands, its fragile body covered in soot and oil. Their rescue operation was a success, and as they carefully handed the trembling kitten to Ahmed, they couldn't help but feel a profound sense of relief and joy. The little feline had been given a second chance at life, thanks to their unwavering compassion and determination. But the story didn't end there. Ahmed, Yusuf, and Karim knew that this kitten needed more than just rescue. It needed a family. They set out on a mission to find the kitten's mother, scouring the neighborhood and asking around. After several hours, they finally located a distressed mother cat who had been frantically searching for her missing baby. With tears in their eyes, they reunited the mother with her kitten. The moment was pure magic as the mother nuzzled her long-lost baby, purring with relief and gratitude.